In this tutorial I will show you how to half swipe on Snapchat new update and how to read Snapchat messages without them knowing. So first open Play Store and update Snapchat app. After that, open Snapchat. Find conversation someone sent to you. For example, this one. Slowly swipe right on the conversation by tapping over the Bitmoji and hold down on the screen. Do not release your finger or do not swipe all the way to right. As soon as you see part of the conversation, continue to swipe slowly while holding down until there is a small border at the right of the screen. You will only be able to read this much of the conversation.